Oh. Oh.
Little monkey. What are you thinking about? This is a sax. You know what it is? Don't think so. No, monkey. Not a hat. You can't see something from it. Try it again. Monkey, try blowing it. Now you got it. Great. Hi, Koala. What happened? Oh, he wants to dance.
Yay.
Let's put on the radio and some music. It seems he likes this song. What a funny dance! Look how the little lion sleeps. Hey, lion, wake up! Little lion? It looks like he's very sleepy. What can we do? It was a good idea. Hey, Penguin, what's up? What are you thinking about? Oh, he has a magic wand. Do you want a castle? No. A dollhouse? An igloo, of course! Perfect! The chameleon wants to play on the seesaw. Oopsie! Oh no, he fell again! I'm gonna help him. Come here and let's play. Now we got it. That's nice! Hi, Penguin. How are you? You don't like this igloo? Let's see how we can solve it. First, we take that out. And then, we put it like this. Now we can make it bigger. Look! It looks like a castle. That's nice! food? We can water here. Wow, and we have a watermelon. What's happening? It's not what you like? Okay, we can water the other side. And a pumpkin. Still not what you want? Let's try again. Now, a bamboo. We got it. Hey, little bear. What's up? Do you want to dance? Louder? He's happy, but no. Better put on a headset. Now it's perfect. Look! Baby koala found a seed. Hi! We'll show you how to do it. We put it on the ground and water it. You see it? Okay, a bit more. Now he's happy. Look at the little monkey. He seems hungry. Let's give him an apple. 2, 3. It seems they're tasty. It's already over. Do we give him one more? Yes! He's happy! Hey, Pussycat! Here's your food! Still hungry? Okay, we can give you more. Wow! More? Okay, but eat slowly. Wow! It ended too fast. Oopsie! Now we can take you to the running machine. Good! Hey, Piggy. Do you like the mud? This looks like a yes. Wow! Look how he is. I have an idea. I think he liked it. Hi, kitten. Do you want to play with a ball of wool? I think he liked it. Oopsie! Let's help him to get out. Good! Hi, Penguin. We'll help you with the cold. We put this in. Come inside. Come. Now you have the sun. I think you liked it. prefers to stay in the box.